Good morning everyone. I am Jeevan Dr. L.R. Chaudhary, Faculty of Engineering and Technology, Department of Agriculture Science. My topic is definitions of agriculture extensions. The major the major outcome of above thinking was the formulation of stationary of innovations approach to agriculture production, especially the food organs. A new program named as IA, IADP was formulated, which was launched gradually from 1960. The third 5-year plan 1960 to 1966 incorporated this program into the planned development process. This program was properly known as package program. This name was given because of the collective and simultaneous application of all practice of improved seeds irrigation, fertilizer, plant protection implements credits act. This program was started in July 1960 in 7 selected districts values states. They were West Godavari in AP, Salawad in Bihar, Tanjore in Tamil Nadu, Raipur in MP, Ludhiana in Punjab, Pali in Rajasthan and Aligarh in UP. The selections of these directed was done on the basis of their high potency in encouraging of the light source time to achieve rapid increase in the level of agriculture production through a contraction of financial, technical, extension and administrative resources to achieve to self-generative breakthrough in productivity and to raise the production potential by stimulating the human physical process of change and to demonstrative of most effective ways in encourage production and through provide lesson for extending such a in agriculture production program to other access. During the third 5 and plan 30% increase the food grain production was achieved through IADP. The incident in intensive promotion of agriculture was very popular among policymakers and administrators. As a result of this, received version of IADP with less intensive and therefore less costly program was formulated and launched in selected blocks in 150 directives. It was named as IAAP. The selected blockers were to have the same physical condition as in the case of selection of directed of IADP. Under the program 20 to 25% of the cultivated area of the country was brought to general the integrated agriculture development. Implementations of IAAP was accepted by Agriculture Production Board and came into the operation of March 1964. The program also followed the package of approaches and used improved method. The usage of integrated factors of physical, social and institutions were also followed in the strategical communications, many to produce an impact on the agriculture production. The management of the program did not function as envisaged. There were many weaknesses of the definitely in the inter-energy and interpersonal coordinations in depute staff motivation, malpractice, non-qualifications and local production plan in on proper line and delay in delivery in output and farmers. However, production and profitability were mostly the highly advised condition thought during the 1960 and 68 survey as below. The food grains output was still into the meet of the rising domestic demand. Improved were also continued in supplying the local productions. HYPPA launched in 1960, which helped the country in attaining the self-sufficiency in food. The technology and development did not the remain contributing to the introduction of highly leading crop varieties along these were the combined with the application of high analysis and balanced irrigation protection improved inflation which made the grain revision there were the combined with the applications of highly analysis and balanced vertical irrigation plant productions improved act which made a green revolution possible in the country. Punjab, Haryana and western part of UP were initially selected for the featured launching of this strategy. The collection achieved 1966 to 67 had resulted in subs food grains production, but the production was developed. The rich production also had some technicals substance increased though not much in the case of wheat. The target of coverage 2.5 crore hectares of area under HYVS of cereals and Milton's under the 4th 5-year plan was extended. The coverage was more than 4 crore hectares. IVLP involvement program development by the ICAR to help scientists to have direct interaction with the farming community so that appropriate technologies are developed for farmers. Here research extension for farmers extends from links by the carrying together the assignment and the refinement functions in the technology development and disseminations process. This helps the research system to the generate a certain technology which are the more production in small production system, more production in commercial production system and gender sensitive remove of the durable farmer women. The introduction technology interaction with the implementation on the security and along with the productivity small production system to introduce and intelligent SEM and their integration may